In modern warfare, information is everything. But sometimes gathering that information requires silence and invisibility. Enter the RQ-170 Sentinel, a stealthy reconnaissance drone operated by the US Air Force. Nicknamed the Beast of Kandahar after it was first spotted in Afghanistan, the Sentinel is designed to slip past defenses and collect intelligence where manned aircraft cannot safely go. Shrouded in secrecy, the RQ-170 has been linked to high-stakes missions, from watching over Osama bin Laden's compound in Pakistan to monitoring North Korea's nuclear sites. But stealth alone isn't invincibility. In 2011, one Sentinel was captured by Iran, proving that even advanced tech carries risks. Despite the mystery, the RQ-170 represents the future of ISR. Unmanned, stealthy and persistent, it can linger for hours, transmit data in real time, and go places no pilot could survive. Its very existence signals how far drone technology has come, and how much further it will go. The RQ-170 is proof that sometimes the most important aircraft are the ones you never hear about, invisible, silent, and always watching. Subscribe for more ISR stories, and always keep looking up.